Syndicate.
Diplomats.
Have little faith in the most high. If you're afraid for failing, you won't try. I know things off more while.
Rough.
But I just left someone don't care. I don't complain more this time when it rains. I now lose my soul for the world out of fair.
Dark place, I'm in now with nobody for love. Who they are really for trust? Homie, I show so much love, I'm a feel curb. Hard cold, don't need no one. Don't need no one. Don't need no one. Mine gone far. Open up my thoughts and I smoke, I'm going to the start. Probably go to Mars, but they know one thing, I'm gonna live for my God. I'ma stay by myself, a lonely one. Me not like drama, that's why I'm still fine. Me heart full of pain, me don't want to die.
I'ma clear this father, them full of fake smile and laughter. So me not tell people my business, cause them are informer. Have little faith in the most high. If you're afraid for failing, you won't try. I know things off more while. But I just left someone don't care. I don't complain more this time when it rains. I now lose my soul for the world out of fair.
Oh, it's that people feel me daily, not worried though. And the girl hurt me, that me let her go. You know me have to make it up. And everybody start with you, I go end with you. Enough to the money and get envious. The more them hate, the more we get richer. Don't make fame get to you. Me not like drama, that's why I'm still fine. Me heart full of pain, me don't want to die.
I'ma clear this father, them full of fake smile and laughter. So me not tell people my business, cause them are informer. Now look for problem, I'ma find them. Devil attempt for pre-violence, cause them a take advantage of my kindness. Most time me I beg your kindness. Celebrate loud and walk in a silence. Cause me no want nothing trouble my mates. I keep my life private, cause my peace of mind priceless. Have little faith in the most high. If you're afraid for failing, you won't try. I know things off more while. But I just left someone don't care. I don't complain more this time when it rains. I now lose my soul for the world out of fair.
I don't complain through the storm, through the rain. Now I lose my soul for the world out of faith. Nobody for love. Who ready for trust?
Them are informer.
Lyle Dan Records.
Syndicate.
Diplomats.
Have little faith in the most high. If you're afraid for failing, you won't try. I know things off more while.
Rough.
But I just left someone don't care. I don't complain more this time when it rains. I now lose my soul for the world out of fair.
Dark place, I'm in now with nobody for love. Who they are really for trust? Homie, I show so much love, I'm a feel curb. Hard cold, don't need no one. Don't need no one. Don't need no one. Mine gone far. Open up my thoughts and I smoke, I'm going to the start. Probably go to Mars, but they know one thing, I'm gonna live for my God. I'ma stay by myself, a lonely one. Me not like drama, that's why I'm still fine. Me heart full of pain, me don't want to die.
I'ma clear this father, them full of fake smile and laughter. So me not tell people my business, cause them a informer. I'm flick faith on the most side. If you're afraid for fail, then you won't try. Man know things off more well, but I just left someone don't care. I don't complain more this time when it rains. Now I lose my soul for the world out of fair.
Oh, it's that people feel me daily, not worried though. And the girl hurt me, that me let her go. You know me have to make it up. And everybody start with you, I go end with you. Enough to the money and get envious. The more than we hate, the more we get richer. Don't make fame get to you. Me like drama, that's why I'm still fine. Me heart full of pain, me don't want to die.
I'ma tell this father, them full of fake smile and laughter. So me not tell people my business, cause them a informer. Now look for problem, I'ma find them. Devil attempt for pre-violence, cause them a take advantage of my kindness. Most time me I beg your kindness. Celebrate loud and walk in a silence. Coming over, nothing trouble my minds. I keep my life private, cause my peace of mind priceless. I'm flick faith on the most side. If you're afraid for failing, you won't try. Man know things off more well, but I just left someone don't care. I don't complain more this time when it rains. Now I lose my soul for the world out of fair.
I don't complain through the storm, through the rain. Now I lose my soul for the world out of faith. Nobody for love. Who there for just?
Them I ain't fine.
You got the vibe like inside of
Live than record.
Syndicate.
Diplomat.
I'm flick faith on the most side. If you're afraid for failing, you won't try. Man know things off more well,
Rough.
but I just left someone don't care. I don't complain more this time when it rains. Now I lose my soul for the world out of fair.
Dark place, I'm in all with nobody for love. Who they are really for trust? Homie, I show so much love, I'm a feel curb. Hard cold, don't need no one. Don't need no one. Don't need no one. Mind gone fire. Open up my thoughts and I smoke, I'm a grind to the start. Probably go to Mars, but they know one thing, I'm a knowledge for my God. I'ma stay by myself, a lonely one. Me not like drama, that's why I'm still fine. Me heart full of pain, me don't want to die.
I'ma tell this father, them full of fake smile and laughter. So me not tell people my business, cause them a informer. I'm flick faith on the most side. If you're afraid for failing, you won't try. Man know things off more well, but I just left someone don't care. I don't complain more this time when it rains. Now I lose my soul for the world out of fair.
Oh, it's that people feel me daily, not worried though. And the girl hurt me, that me let her go. You know me have to make it up. And everybody start with you, I go end with you. Enough to the money and get envious. The more than we hate, the more we get richer. Don't make fame get to you. Me not like drama, that's why I'm still fine. Me heart full of pain, me don't want to die.
I'ma tell this father, them full of fake smile and laughter. So me not tell people my business, cause them a informer. Now look for problem, I'ma find them. Devil attempt for pre-violence, cause them a take advantage of my kindness. Most time me I beg your kindness. Celebrate loud and walk in a silence. Coming up on nothing, trouble my mates. I keep my life private. Come a peace of mind priceless. Have little faith on the most high. If you're afraid for failing, you won't try. I know things off more while, but I just left someone don't care. I don't complain. More this time when in your hands now I lose my soul. Feel the world out of fire.
I don't complain. Through the storm, through the
If you
rain,
think you've got what
I lose my soul. Feel the world out of faith.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, guys. I'll be right back. Just gotta make my coffee real quick. I hope everyone had a great weekend. I'll be right back. New York opens in 2 minutes. Good morning, everyone. Whoa, gold is already at the 2000s, 2300s on Forex. That would be crazy if it is. So today, now I'm anticipating a possible deeper pullback here on gold. Now we definitely bearish here on gold. We're creating lower highs and lower lows. We're not creating high highs and higher lows. However, there's a chance we could see a deeper pullback here. 50% chance. And the main reason is because of this previous London low here at 3309.4. Because if we go to the higher time frame here, we pretty much failed to break below it. So we've not created a lower low just yet here on the lower time frame. And we pretty much rejected a 15-minute demand that pretty much broke this high and this high. All right, that's what we're looking at. And then if we look at to the left here, previously we had a minor BOS here up until we got to this previous lower high here at 3372.5. So we had failure to close above, then we've pretty much been falling ever since. Now, question is, to the downside and to the upside, did we have a BOS below the best range? Do we have a BOS to the sell side or to the buy side? Ask yourself, do we? Okay, now to the downside, we had this low at 37.1. Now to the high side, all we have to look at is, okay, where was the high that created this low? And that's going to be our range. In this case, it's going to be this high right here, because this high came down, which broke this low to the left, went back up, created another high right here. So this is our main high that created this. Which one do we have? The upside or to the downside? To the high side, no. To the downside, 100%. So that means we have a higher chance of price continuing to the downside than we do to the high side. So therefore, if I'm looking to take buys here, it's going to be the pullback buys, because price is not breaking high just yet. So where would I be looking at to take my buys with this setup right now? Well, with this setup right now, this is going to have to come down back to this demand, because even here on the 5, we do not have a 5-minute demand here. See price. And you also see that price has pretty much reacted to this 5-minute demand here, but so far we came back down, went back up, and now we found another level of minor resistance, failing to break above the high that this low created in this 5-minute range. So therefore, I need price to either come back to this 15-minute demand and then reject again. Then I'll look to take the buys. But as of right now, I am not interested in buys until we pull back to this 15-minute demand. And also for sales, it's going to be any of these 30-minute supply that any of these supplies. This. However, I need price to at least get back to this 1-hour supply here, thereby grabbing liquidity above the high that created this low that we're pushing up from at 3304.7. That's where I would prefer to continue to sell this. So all we need is just extra patience today from the look of how good looks today. A little bit choppy price action here in this range, so we need to be careful. So first supply is going to be, of course, this 30-minute supply, and then we'll see how we react. I hope that makes sense. Good morning, Isers. Okay, so Forex is at 3,300. Okay. Oh, futures, we are at the 3,300 also. And if we do not have any gold set up by the time NYSE opens, we are going to start looking at NQ the moment NYSE opens. So I'm just going to mark this up real quick. Just pay attention to what I'm doing, and you also get to see how I mark up my chart. In this range on NQ, we have no BOS to the upside, no BOS to the downside. However, previously we had a pickup structure to the upside. The buys are still in play here. Therefore, setup is still going to be look for buys here. really like it. Oh. That gap fill. Alright, we will come back to NAS later. See if we're gonna get it set up on gold. Now also, before I forget, even if we do come back to this demand, I am still going to wait. I'm still going to wait for the aggressive push, a pullback, and then I'll look to take the buys, anticipating that this high is going to get taken out. Now, the reason why I'm going to wait for the setup I just drew is because when we came down and rejected this demand, we had this push, then price came down and created a minor support from this bottom. So we have the high, price came down and created a minor support, pretty much a minor low. Now this minor low in return was unable to break this high, therefore came down. So now, with the way this looks like, there is a chance that we could continue to the downside, because after all, we are breaking lows anyways, we're not breaking highs. Now, in order for us to be sure that, okay, this demand is going to hold and we're actually going to push up, I need to see buyers first. Meaning, I need to see that aggressive buying, simply because of the way we reacted here, this to the left, push up, come down. If we come back down and reject again, this should definitely push up. That will be the buy setup that I will be looking for. So all this that's going on right now, I don't care about it. It either goes higher pretty much from this minor low that we're pretty much rejecting goes higher, reject, then I'll look for a sell setup. For now, staying away until we get what we're looking for. Looking at me, you can tell I just freaking woke up. morning, Joseph.
I really want to see what happens if we touch this area again.
Yeah, I'm waiting to see it too. But like I said earlier, I'm not gonna pretty much take it off the rip.
Yeah. Lovely London trade though, over 100 pips.
Oh, that's where you caught?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Oh, nice.
It just tanked so hard.
Yeah. I only got half of that.
King, question.
Yeah.
Would you consider this sort of area like a supply? Anything in there that you
Yeah.
consider?
Yeah, there is a 30-minute supply there.
Yeah.
There is a 30-minute supply there. The issue is it's fucking low. That's the issue.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That's why I didn't mark it.
Yeah, got you. That's why that London trade was the textbook, because you got the break of the low.
Yeah.
And then the pullback, and then the drop.
Mm-hmm. So since we didn't break, we pretty much didn't create a lower low on the higher time frame. I expect it to pretty much get back to the high, pretty much that created it, or the first minor high that created this low. But I would prefer the major high that created the low. Higher chance of it dropping from there. What happened? Oh, iceberg got crashed to 3305.
Yeah, so just when you watch it on the footprint, this move, sorry, not that move, this move, where it dropped, there's like a big, massive order that just appeared on the screen, and then it just went straight back up.
Oh, on the footprint?
Yeah, on the footprint. So I'm interested to see what happens when they retest him, and just see if you get that same reaction.
It should, with the failure to break on a higher time frame, it should. But then again, this thing is just so bearish. We'll see.
Damn, if you're like paying attention to it, Pi, you could have caught like 120 pip bounce from that.
I know, right? It was too quick. Also, that you know what, I tested that, and that when those big orders appear like that and get an initial bounce, it doesn't play out as often as I'd like. So you're almost better just to confirm it's definitely a buyer.
Yep.
and then see what happens when it comes back. Because you're right, if you just hit the buy button with him, then great, but sometimes it just goes straight through.
I bet in this case it makes sense since it had such a huge drop and then massive buy right at the end of the huge drop. Kind of makes sense. So, you know.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
I'm assuming he was probably the only buyer, big buyer along the whole drop.
There were a couple of guys that appeared. There was like some at like 33.09, and they were there. But yeah, he was the only one that sort of held it.
Oh, okay.
But
Also, like right now, we're in this choppy ass range, and you can see huge orders are coming through. Like 100
Mhm.
lots are getting filled all over the place.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Wow, geez. One at 33.11.3.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then another at 11.0 just now, the low of this wick. Then
Yeah,
there's
yeah,
like 170 at 12.0. It's like they're all over here.
yeah. Yeah, even if you look, like, go all the way left, you can see them in this sort of range.
You know.
Yeah.
With this freaking small ass range we're in here on the 5 minute, the way we keep rejecting this bottom, you would expect it to continue pushing up, but we're also rejecting the highs. Oh, another thing I did forget to mention. Now, if we do not come down to retest this demand again, and we pretty much start pushing up from this low, the moment we break and close above this high, even if we do reject this 30-minute, first 30-minute supply here, we are going to wait for this. We need that quick pullback to retest whatever supply we created. That's when we'll now take a sell. That's when we will now take a sell. The reason is because, man, the fact that we failed to close below 3309.4 on the higher time frame and the 30-minute time frame, except for the 15, the fact that we failed to close below it, there is no telling how high it possibly might take gold. Same thing happened last week when market opened. We had a liquidity grab on the higher time frame, and gold just kept on continuing to the upside. It was a huge pullback, and the start was a higher time frame liquidity grab. As of right now, NQ's price action looks better.
Nice.
Did you buy as well?
Yes.
Yeah.
I was gonna ask you like what's the delta doing, and then I decided, you know what, fuck it. Let me just see what the delta's doing. I'm like, okay, yeah, I'm gonna buy it. Fuck it.
I'm out now though.
Yeah, I took the TP at the break.
Yeah. I took it as soon as I sent that message in the chat. I took it.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I didn't even read that.
Liar.
No.
Hey, good morning, Zay. How you doing?
The delta things, it's actually like a really good to identify what's occurring in the range. Like if it's ranging so hard, then you turn on the delta thing, you just like, oh, okay, I see what's happening here.
Where's the VWAP at on gold?
19.5, just a little bit higher.
Damn, huh?
It's about to touch it. No, gold. You can't pull back without tapping VWAP. You gotta tap it, then reject 50 pips.
Actually, with this, I like that one.
It looks like those wicks are too likely to get taken out.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, sorry. We'll have to get, but that, yeah, exactly as I put in the chat. Just that huge delta was really aggressively negative, but you had those huge orders. So if it's not going down, it's gonna go up.
VWAP's gonna tap.
VWAP. Everyone sell.
It'll be hilarious if it
Sell
drops like 50 pips.
VWAP strategy. Sell. I mean, it makes sense because of all that shit on the left, and it's the POC.
But it really shouldn't, since it consolidated so hard. You'd think that they'd blow through it.
But you have not experienced the VWAP.
Oh shit, the VWAP traders are coming in.
I didn't come. Push it down to this 5-minute demand, please. Begging, just push it down to this 5. So I can buy it.
And there's no way VWAP's gonna reject. No way.
I'm just going to leave this 1 hour supply. That's the one that I am looking at, to be honest. Feel like we are going to break this, this, probably not. This probably will be a liquidity grab. NQ, this might not hold. So we didn't break any of these highs.
There you go.
Fuck me, VWAP, you done it again.
Yeah.
Always trade VWAP, everybody.
Always trade it.
Just put your fucking 100 lot on it. Just do it.
Always.
What's that? 20s?
Always.
So anytime you touch the view up, I just buy or sell, depending on the direction. Every time.
Yep.
Every single time.
Okay.
Everything you've got.
Code your bots to do it. Just tap the view up, buy or sell. That was a 25 pip drop.
With like a 4 pip drawdown.
No. I need more than 25 pip.
Now with 100 lots, you don't.
I need more money for 100 lots.
Negative delta, let's sell, LOL. Question now is gold going to give a buy setup before it grabs liquidity above 3328.9? Because that's my anticipation here. Even if we don't get a liquidity above it, there's a rejection off of this 1 hour supply above. Since we grabbed it at the lows already on the higher time, we might not grab it on the lower time frame, but we'll see.
Yeah. Might not pull back. Bullish engulfing.
I hope no one sold off the VWAP. I feel really bad.
Wow. I was just about to say, really, wow, you made me sold this. Now look at this.
No, it's okay because you already made your 25. So now you got stopped out. So now you're still good. You're still good.
What if I didn't move my stop loss?
Well, you're not so good then.
Yeah. No, Michael. I used to think that, but it doesn't work like that, my friend. Context is everything in this game. Don't give up on VWAP yet.
Nah, it's touching it from the other side. Buy 100 lots. There you go. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Easy. Easy.
Okay. Well, please take a look for me. I'll be right back, guys.
Nine minutes for the new hour. Edwin, how'd Asian session go for you? Nope, no response. Too locked into Gideon. $5, new hour. Okay, looks not bad. Looks like good pullback here. Man, YouTube's so boring lately. Where are the traders at? Market is boring. Man, market's never boring.
All right, I'm back.
New hour opened up.
Hey, Perpetual. Market is boring.
Oh, thank God. Thank you, gold again. See, market's not boring.
What are we selling today? What do you think we're selling? See, man, I can't even pronounce your name, so I'm not even gonna try. Don't like messing people's name up.
Oh, US 500. It never completed the gap fill. It missed it by a couple pips. So it's possible if it fills it, it might wick out the lows on NAS. And then, yeah.
Oh yeah, possibly. We completed it on NAS.
Yeah.
Come back down, gold. Come back down. I can call you SBU. Okay. Oh, we got 25 minutes till NYSE opens.
I can see gold coming down. NYSC comes down, taps it, rejects.
Yeah, hopefully.
Now's the right time to sell short at gold. Okay, good luck.
What's my height? You want to know my height, Alex? I'm 6'1". Good morning, LBS. It's 6'1" too. Nice. Why it sound like I'm not sure about you? What do you mean? You don't believe me, Soccer 360? I don't have to lie about my height. Just like I don't have to lie about my age. Shaco News little brother. Yep. What's Shaq's height? Is Shaq like 7'1", 7'2"?
I'm pretty sure he's 7 something. He's huge.
Not only is he tall, he's freaking huge.
Yeah. I've
Man,
seen that guy stand next to fucking who is that guy? Ngannou from, like UFC.
UFC.
And fucking makes him look small. It's like what the hell's going on?
He can just be like, you know what? Shut the hell up, smack him on the face. Oh man. Shaq is freaking tall. Oh, you're talking about Wild. That was Wild, not me. And he said good luck with your sales on gold.
Oh, yeah, that's me. That's me.
I'm not looking for sales right now. I'm looking for buys. If you want to know the reason why I'm looking for buys, you can rewind the stream pretty much at the beginning. I explained the reason behind it. Oh,
Oh, when I
RBS, you
said
must have just joined. Rewind the stream a little bit closer to the beginning. I explained the reason behind it. What are you gonna say?
Oh, I was just gonna say when I said good luck, I didn't mean anything bad by it. I'm just like, hey, good luck. Because I'm ultimately looking for buys to break the highs.
What's the other guy's name? Oh, wow. I was so in the free Discord, I was supposed to record a weekly analysis video yesterday and send it to you guys, but man, I had a long weekend, so I couldn't do it. Even this morning, when we took the sales during London session, I couldn't even stay through the whole thing. I had to go sleep. We found on London session and how low volume days view up high, Nico works perfectly on gold. You also have a bias. Okay.
Well, that makes sense. If it's low volume, it's gonna not be able to trend far away from VWAP because that's the average.
You're no longer getting notifications where you go live. I don't know what's going on with YouTube. I don't know if it's my channel. I don't know, man. I don't know if it's because the algorithm is like, okay, what's this dude's channel all about? Because it looks like it's no longer about Forex.
You probably like got yourself, what do they call it? Like blacklisted or whatever on YouTube because, be talking about smoking weed all the time. They're like, no, can't have that. No.
Well, we're gonna listen, man. They should to talk to the U.S. government about that, not me. I didn't do anything. Shadow ban.
Oh yeah, that's it. Yeah, shadow ban.
These days, market moves like wild during Asia session. You ain't lying, LBS.
Man, I had like one trade during Asian session. It was the most magnificent trade ever. My God, I got stopped out to the pip and it dropped. Dropped like 100 fucking like 30 pips after stopping me out to the pip.
Oh, you only took it on Forex?
No, on futures. Only on
Oh.
futures. Prefer futures. You don't have to worry about like slippage as much, like fake slippage from your brokers and whatnot. And also with, those brokers, it's bullshit. You're not really trading like anything real. Well, if you trade futures, if you actually buy one contract, you actually own one contract. While in Forex, you buy, one lot. You don't actually own one lot. You don't have anything. That's why if you get wicked out by spread, it never shows on the chart that a price, a contract, a lot got transacted there because you never had it to begin with and they never sold it or bought it to begin with. I remember some dude in Abe's, private group, he posted a picture where it's like he held that trade to the next day on Forex and because the spread gets wide on that time and they got stopped out like like massively like 30 pips away, but obviously no candle printed up there because nothing actually occurred up there, no transaction occurred. So how did you get stopped out at like a 30 pip, like from your stop loss and then there's no candle up there? It's like, well, your broker fucked you. That's what happened. And then on futures, even if it touches my stop loss, I will not get stopped out unless they actually fill my order. So if there's like 20 people with an order at like, 3100.0 and it only like fills half of that, then it's possible I'd never get stopped out even though it touched my stop loss.
Now, me personally, if you ask me what are the cons of pretty much trading futures, I would say it's only one thing. If you were a swing trader and you don't have, I would say at least 6 figures, forget about swing trading when it comes to futures. But if you're a day trader and you trade Forex, you can trade futures too.
Oh, and also, yeah, with what Abe just said, Forex, you get charged a swap fee, like a fee to hold the trade overnight. On futures, you do not get charged holding overnight. But they do require you to have a large bank account to hold it overnight.
Yeah, that's the only con if you ask me.
I remember like a couple months back, I was trading NAS on my Forex account to swing it because I had large size on it, and my like commission, I mean my swap fee on that thing to hold it overnight was like $600. So you know it's pretty sizable, fucking those overnight fees.
Like a boss.
I don't like what I'm seeing from Gold. He might just create a support right here, goddammit.
Go ahead, buy a couple of drinks. I'm okay with some wine and some TV. Don't need a boyfriend when I have a retriever, cause when we play games he comes back to me. A pretty face doesn't last forever, and all the one-liners get less clever. I want a front porch with some flowers in the driveway. That's where I'll be when I'm 40. Do your own thing, I'm staying on a Friday. You can tell me all the stories. Got a 15-year investment, that's why I'm scared to be reckless. I'll have my own house with a monster in the driveway. we're chasing things. I don't have time for a lesson. Sure, he'd buy me some pricey drinks, but I can't afford to be falling. A gentleman doesn't last forever, and all the one-liners get less clever. I want a front porch with some flowers in the driveway. That's where I'll be when I'm 40. Do your own thing, I'm staying on a Friday. You can tell me all the stories. Got a 15-year investment. That's why I'm scared to be reckless. I'll have my own house with a monster in the driveway. That's where I'll be when I'm 40. 15-dollar dream don't mean much to me. I have priorities. It sucks to be the sheep. $15 dream don't mean much to me. I have priorities. It sucks to be the sheep. I want a front porch with some flowers in the driveway. That's where we'll be when I'm 40. Do your own thing, I'm staying on a Friday. You can tell me all the stories. Got a 15-year investment. That's why I'm scared to be reckless. I'll have my own house with the monster in the driveway. That's where I'll be when I'm 40. That's where I'll be when I'm 40. That's where I'll be when I'm 40. Got a 15-year investment. That's why I'm scared to be reckless. I'll have my own house with the monster in the driveway. That's where I'll be when I'm 40.
NYSC is open. Oh, Abe, your mic's off.
Nasdaq if we can tap the demand. So, oh, good it is. We will be looking at 80 ticks here for the stop loss. Oh, no, 70 is good.
Order filled.
All right, I am in a sell. Oh. Oh, really? What the hell are you doing, Gold? Oh, look at Nas.
Oh, man, what the fuck's going on with that candle?
What he's doing the same thing as he's doing with this candle. Bouncing up and down. Man, look at Nas. Fish.
Damn, shit.
Wow. Complete fake out buys. This is a crazy candle on NQ.
Oh my god, damn. It's gonna close Doji too, eh? Shit.
Oh. Oh. But in NQ, as long as gold does not do that crazy shit. NQ is mental. Nas is just hitting people's SL. Yeah, that's the liquidity grab Wow talked about earlier. This type of candle, this previous candle that closed bearish, is pretty much 50-50 candle. With this type of setup, even though I am anticipating the buys, I won't take it because you got long top wick, long bottom wick. Because technically it looks like the top wick is longer than the bottom wick. For me personally, I would expect it to come down. But I could be wrong. But this type of setup though, I will stay away from it. That's just me.
Yeah, whenever you get craziness like that, it's better just to stay away. It's like there's better setups to be had.
Yeah. I don't like this type of candle, this previous candle. Let me guess, did we tap the VWAP here on gold?
Oh, no. VWAP's above us. 19.5. Still.
Oh, they even rejected the VWAP. I didn't even know.
Oh, you're MGC, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, MGC.
GC VWAP's a bit lower. It's like here.
Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah. Yep, look at that. Goodness. Yeah. Right now, on Nas, this top wick is not really, doesn't look interesting for the buyers right now on NQ. Going up again. Yeah.
Oh wow, man.
I'd rather trade crypto than to trade that. Every WAP is rejecting the low. Guess you're talking about gold. Yeah. We didn't close below this yet, but it should come down. You threw some money in crypto to trade some meme coins. It ended in laughter. Huh.
Hopefully that's the laughter of like, holy shit, I'm fucking rich, boys.
Hopefully. You said laughter of tears.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Well then Q and Gold is stripping right now. He was the victim of a pump and dump exchange. Oh.
Oh, damn.
Why does it look like they're freaking doing the same thing right now?
Because they are.
Bought the newest coin with like 15k markup cap. It went to 82k and back down to 5. Damn! From 80k down to 5k? Ish.
Oh, shit.
Within 2 minutes? Wow.
Wow.
Meme coin, I don't think there's any meme coin that I freaking trust.
Well, I can tell just by the way that you're smiling that you're still unsure. And I can tell just by the look in your eyes that you've been hurt before. But baby, no one can promise you forever. Right now I only know that we should be
Damn, Nas is ugly as shit.
Yep. They're both freaking ugly now.
Yeah, they're both ugly. Hmm.
Man, wild place, take over from me. I'll go smoke.
All right. Let's see.
Hopefully by the time I get back, we'll be at TP.
There is a lot of selling happening on gold, but it's not actually dropping, which is a concern. But it's ranging super hard, and so is Nas. So probably highly likely just go straight back down to the fucking bottom of the range again. Okay, buyers have taken control. Pop the highs, extend range to the high side. Unlikely that this stop loss will hold. Where's Abe's stop loss at? 25.0, 25.0. Oof. Nah, that's not enough. It's gonna run it.
Order filled.
Yeah, that's unfortunate. As soon as it, was hanging out at the high of the range and sellers were hammering it, but it won't go down, that was pretty much a signal that it's game over for the sellers.
Oh well. Okay. We go again tomorrow. So wow. Okay. Alright, that's it for me, guys. We'll go again tomorrow. I will see you guys tomorrow. I am out of here. Alright, so I will see you guys during London session. And
All right.
hopefully we have win London and win down New York tomorrow. So, alright, see you guys. I'm out.
Thanks, Abe.
Welcome.